Hi there, welcome to the School of Infocomm Technology. I'm Lucas, a Ngee Poly ambassador currently pursuing a diploma in cybersecurity and digital forensics. I'm excited to show you how we develop next-gen solutions for real-world problems. Ready? Let's go! This is my favorite place in the school. In my course, Cybersecurity and Digital Forensics, we practice our skills and perform penetration tests in a high-tech lab like the Cybersecurity Ops Center. Isn't this awesome? Our job is to keep everyone safe. We are constantly monitoring for potential threats and help to quickly defuse the situation. Wow, we can see a live view of threats happening around the globe. With my cyber warrior friends defending the online space, hackers are no match for us. Industry partnerships allow my friends at the data science course to learn about data analytics. They can also intern with these companies and gain more certifications. Did you know that the School of Infocomm Technology was the first school in Ngee Poly to have smart classrooms? We have wireless projection and interactive whiteboards, where my lecturer can give instant feedback on our work. We also have Surface hubs, which function like a large touchscreen computer. Next, we are paying a visit to the Immersive Lab, a place used by my friends in the Immersive Media course. It's a place where you get to use augmented, virtual, or mixed realities to escape to another world. Here, take a look at my friends toggling with MR goggles. They look like they're having so much fun. Need I say more? If you want to be the next IT whiz, there is no better place to start than here in Ngee Poly's School of Infocomm Technology. See you soon!